We're going on an epic quest to give that plain old lamp a major personality boost. Okay, let's just dive right in.
You know, the one I'm talking about. It's just there. I mean, yeah, it gives light, sure, but where's the sparkle? Where's the style? It's just kind of boring.
It doesn't really say anything about you, does it? It's like the definition of plain, and your room deserves so much more than that. You deserve more than that.
Yeah, that's the feeling. A total meh. But hang on, what's that? I think an idea is starting to brew. A little spark of inspiration is about to light everything up.
Yes! Oh my gosh, it is absolutely time for a glow up. We're officially kicking off our vibe quest to find the perfect lampshade style that just screams you. Let's go. Okay, our first stop is the DIY art studio. This is where we get our hands a little dirty, metaphorically of course, and create something that is 100% totally unique. You ready to get crafty? Just look at all these amazing options. You could go super glam with some soft, dreamy feathers, or get all cozy by wrapping your shade in a favorite fabric. And I am obsessed with this idea. Using old photo slides or vintage lace, it literally turns your lamp into a memory keeper. It's all about adding that personal touch, you know? So, wanna go for an edgy, urban artist look? It's seriously this easy. Just 3 steps. Grab a basic shade, some stencils or spray paint, and just go for it. You can create these bold patterns or a cool abstract design that's all your own. And boom, instant street art cred for your room.
All right, questgoers, our next stop is all about the latest trends. So if DIY isn't really your thing, no worries. Let's flip through a lookbook of the hottest aesthetics right now and find your perfect match. First up, we've got that effortlessly cool retro feel of mid-century modern. We're talking mushroom lamps. They have these awesome, clean, geometric shapes and come in the most amazing bold colors like mustard yellow and teal. It's a look that's somehow both vintage and totally on trend.
Are you a total daydreamer? Well then, the celestial fantasy vibe might be the one for you. Just imagine your lamp covered in these dreamy galaxy prints or sparkling star patterns. It's like having a little piece of the night sky right there in your room. So magical. Next, let's get cozy with the boho and electric vibe. This one is all about texture. Think macrame, fringe, and all these beautiful woven materials. It's got that free-spirited, warm, and super inviting look that makes any space feel like a comfy little sanctuary. And hey, for all the fans out there, this one's for you. Your lamp can totally show off what you love, whether it's gaming, sports, or your favorite magical world like Harry Potter. I mean, it's the ultimate way to let your passions light up your room. Literally. Our vibe quest isn't over yet. For our final stop, we're stepping into the modern and chic gallery. This is where we prove that sometimes less is truly more. Get ready for some sleek, simple, and super sophisticated style. And let's be super clear, modern definitely does not mean boring. A simple white glass orb can be a huge statement piece all on its own. Or check out the cool textures of industrial glass, especially when you pair it with a metal base. And you can never, ever underestimate the power of a single bold color, like a pop of coral or olive green on a classic drum shade. It's just so clean, confident, and effortlessly chic. Wow, okay, we've seen it all. From DIY masterpieces and trendy aesthetics to chic modern designs. Now we're back, and our room is just buzzing with inspiration. It's time for the big reveal. So, after our whole adventure, what really stood out to you? Were you drawn to the crafty DIY stuff, those dreamy celestial prints, or the super sleek modern shapes? Your perfect vibe is just the one that feels right. So, I want you to remember this. Your room is your canvas, and you are the artist. This is your space to express yourself. So go ahead and let your light and your lamp shine super bright. So I'll leave you with this one last thought. Your lamp is so much more than just a light. It's a piece of your story. So what story is your space gonna tell? Go out there and make it a brilliant one.